So this is Togo. She is an African ball python, and she is exploring a new piece of enrichment that was designed by our animal care team called a snake pegboard. Snakes have more bones in their body than we do, which means they have a lot of opportunity for muscle attachments. So with all of those muscles, she is squeezing and shifting her body in ways that allow her to contort herself to wrap around the pegs or push her body up to the next level. Snakes are a really important part of their ecosystem because they help keep everything in balance. As predators, they are out there hunting for a number of different types of small animals. Snakes being natural predators for those animals is very helpful in keeping the entire ecosystem healthy. Here you do see me touching Togo, our ball python, because she is a safe zoo snake that is very used to human contact. Just remember, whenever you see a snake outside, the best thing to do is give it some space. They are an important part of the ecosystem, and we want to leave them alone so that they can continue to do their very important job. And that also keeps us safe as well.